Hey guys, it's Eric, owner of Farpoint Farms here in Connecticut, I think it is, or New York, right at the border of one of them. And I figured as good a spot as any to check out the stealth camper Volvo. Yeah, the 2001 Volvo. Man, I put, what, 1,500 miles on it so far this week. And we got another at least maybe 2,000 to go. So I wanted to take you around it and actually show you. I'll walk around the outside. It's pretty unassuming, you know. You got the striker antenna. The only thing that really gives it away on the outside is, if you look here up on top, I've got a 100-watt solar panel that's charging that Geartis 301 power pack. So that's kind of powering this little adventure. As we go around to the back here, you know, you can see kind of the cloth that I have up here. What I want to show you here though is that there's open this up, screening. So I crack the windows when I sleep, and that's worked really well. I'll get inside here in a second, but let me walk around the front here and just show you the other side, because I'm getting ready to take a nap. I'm freaking exhausted. If you've never seen a Volvo, this is 2001 XC70, one of the worst year models for this car. In fact, the worst year model. And you never want to buy the first year of any car when it comes out, and this one is no exception. And it's seen some better days. It's got a salvage title, lots of rust, lots of issues, braking issues, and we've already had some mechanical problems I've covered in another video there, but there it is. You can see this side's the same way. I've got the curtains up all the way around on this side. But behind it, it's a little hard to see through here. There is screens on this side as well, so I can crack the windows about probably ain't much, get some airflow in there. And from the front, you can't really see hardly anything, but I've got a blanket that covers the front there, so can't really see what's going on there either. All right, let's hop in this thing. People looking at me weird, no doubt. So this is it in a totally sleep-ready setup here. I'm actually at a campground tonight because I needed to take a shower. Been a few days. Well, I mean, they're doing like, well, I can't even say the word, but been showering, but just using a hand towel in a sink, you know, usually a gas station or something like that. So not the best shower. But yeah, got the, can't see it, but the windows there are down. Screens are up. My little camp light from forever ago. Got my fan going, and that will run on that Ryobi 4-amp battery all night. Charges up during the day when I'm driving. Plenty of airflow. This far north, kind of hot during the day, you know, the sun beating off the top of the car, but yeah, you go to bed and you wake up about 10:30, 10:45, turn the fan off, you wake up about midnight, time to crawl underneath the mattress here, or underneath the sleeping bag, I mean. But yeah, man, living large here in the camper. Take care.